Modern camping and overlanding demand more than just a campfire and a sleeping bag. From refrigerators to rechargeable gadgets, our power requirements are evolving. And we're here to help you choose the right setup for your camping style. And today, let's talk about power sources. What should we consider bringing for our next overlanding adventure? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of solar setup, let's begin by choosing the ultimate sidekick for your off-road escapades, the portable power station. In this high-voltage world of overlanding, there's a power player for everyone. Meet the heavy hitters like Blue Tie, Jackery, and BioLite, each bringing its unique charm to the table. These power stations aren't just batteries, they're the maestros of charge control, and they've got your back, even if you've never wielded an electrical wizard's wand. With their plug-and-play prowess, they've kicked complexity to the curb. And if you're a fan of one-stop shopping, some of these brands even serve up solar generator bundles that make your power dreams come true. Let's power up and hit the road. Now that you've got your trusty portable power station, it's time to explore the various ways to keep it juiced up and ready for action. Here are 3 charging methods to keep your power dreams alive. When you're on the move, tap into the power of your trusty 12-volt outlet in your vehicle. It's a quick and efficient way to charge your power station without breaking out the solar panels. As long as your engine's purring, your alternator can handle the power load, keeping your essentials running smoothly. Plus, it's not just about your power station. You can also charge up your GPS system or keep your smartphone alive. Imagine the convenience of charging while driving, then taking that power to your picnic table to fire up your fridge. Road tripper's paradise. For those extended sojourns in the wilderness, harness the power of the sun with solar panels. These magic slabs can work their wizardry on your power station's battery when your vehicle's engine takes a nap. Setting up solar charging is as easy as connecting a cable from the panel to your power bank. New to the solar game? No worries. Just pop up a solar panel array at your campsite and point it toward the sun for a simple, beginner-friendly setup. If you're in it for the long haul, consider going full throttle by mounting solar panels on your roof rack or rooftop tent. Don't forget the marine-grade cable gland to keep things watertight. Let the sun reign supreme. Enter BioLite's ingenious system where charging meets campfire cooking. This innovative solution lets you charge your power bank while you whip a feast over an open flame. It's perfect for your smaller power needs like topping off phones or laptops. Picture this. You're grilling steaks on an open fire, and while you savor the aroma, your devices are soaking up the energy. If you're all about a cooler instead of a fridge and you've got access to wood or sunshine, this method can power your gadgets throughout your epic backcountry journey. BioLite brings a whole new meaning to the phrase multitasking. Connecting and using your chosen charging method depends on the specific power stations you've selected. It's crucial to read the owner's manual for your power station to understand how to connect the wiring correctly. Each brand and model may have slightly different instructions for setting up and using solar panels or other charging sources. Don't forget to use cable glands or any other protective measures on your wiring systems. This will ensure the safety of your most valuable equipment. By following these comprehensive steps and selecting the appropriate power stations and charging methods for your backcountry adventures, you can ensure a continuous and reliable power supply to run your essential gadgets while enjoying the great outdoors. The power is in your hands. Now that we are acquainted with the main components of our power setup, let us explore some DIY options for your next adventures, starting with the basic solar power starter kit. This kit is a cost-effective and straightforward solution for harnessing solar energy during your outdoor escapades. Now remember, this will just be a general overview on what your loadout should look like. Now that you have the power, the possibilities for your overlanding setup is now limitless. We would love to hear about your own personal overlanding setups. Please share them on the comment section down below. But for now, let us make your very first. Basic solar panel starter kit setup components. 100 watt solar panel. Charge controller. 100 ampere deep cycle battery. Inverter if needed for AC devices. Wiring and connectors. Mounting hardware for the panel. Pros: affordable and simple to set up. Ideal for powering basic camp lighting, phone charging, and small 12-volt appliances. Easily expandable by adding more panels or batteries. Cons: limited power capacity for running larger appliances and may not support continuous use of high wattage devices. What's next? Mount the solar panel. Attach the 100-watt solar panel to the roof rack of your vehicle, or use brackets to mount it at an angle facing the sun. Wire the solar panel to the charge controller. Connect the charge controller to the 100 ampere deep cycle battery. Ensure proper polarity and use appropriate wire gauges. If you plan to use AC devices, connect a small inverter to the battery terminals. Ensure it's rated for the devices you intend to power. With everything connected, you can now use the 12-volt DC outlets or the inverter to power your devices and appliances, making your outdoor experience more convenient and self-sustaining. Let's step it up with the intermediate solar power setup, offering more power and versatility for your outdoor adventures. Components: 200-watt solar panels or two 100-watt panels. MPPT charge controller. 200 amps deep cycle battery. 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Wiring and connectors. Mounting hardware for the panels. Pros: offers more power for running appliances like a portable fridge, laptops, or lights. Suitable for extended camping trips. Good balance between affordability and capability. Cons: may require more space for mounting multiple panels. Installation might be slightly more complex than the basic setup. Mount two 100-watt solar panels or a single 200-watt panel to your vehicle's roof rack or other suitable locations. This increased solar capacity ensures you can capture more energy during the day. Utilize an MPPT or maximum power point tracking charge controller for efficient power conversion. Connected to the panels and the 200 amps deep cycle battery, which provides ample energy storage. Inverter if needed. If you plan to use AC devices, connect a 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter to the battery. This inverter ensures clean and reliable power for running larger appliances and electronics. With this setup, you can power larger devices like portable fridges, laptops, lights, and recharge your electronic devices. It's an ideal solution for longer camping trips where energy demand is higher, offering a good balance between capability and affordability. Advanced solar power system. Now let's delve into the realm of advanced solar power systems, offering abundant power and advanced monitoring capabilities for your extended off-grid adventures. Components: 300 watt or higher solar panels. MPPT charge controller with monitoring capabilities. 300 amp or larger deep cycle battery bank. 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Solar panel tilting or tracking system for optimal efficiency. Wiring, connectors, and fuses. Remote battery monitor. Pros: provides ample power for running multiple devices, including larger appliances. Suitable for extended off-grid trips without worries about running out of power. Allows for advanced monitoring and control of your solar setup. Cons: higher initial cost due to larger components. May require more technical knowledge for setup and maintenance. Requires additional space for larger panels and batteries. Install high-capacity solar panels, typically 300 watts or more, to capture maximum sunlight. Consider using a tilting or tracking system for optimal efficiency, especially in changing light locations. Employ an MPPT charge controller with monitoring capabilities for optimal power management. Connect it to your large battery bank, typically 300 amps or more, to store excess energy for later use. Install a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter, ensuring you can power larger appliances with clean and reliable electricity. Set up a remote battery monitoring system, allowing you to track your battery's state of charge, voltage, and other critical data in real time. This advanced monitoring helps you maximize efficiency and avoid unexpected power shortages. With this setup, you'll have substantial power at your disposal, making it perfect for extended off-grid adventures. It can handle a wide range of devices and appliances, giving you the freedom to enjoy your outdoor experiences without compromising on comfort or convenience. That wraps up our exploration of DIY solar power setups for your outdoor adventures here at the Overland Times. We hope you found this guide informative and inspiring. Remember, the right power solution depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you opt for a basic, intermediate, or advanced setup, the key is to stay connected with nature while enjoying the modern comforts that these systems can provide. We encourage you to experiment, learn, and make your camping and overlanding experiences as enjoyable and self-sustaining as possible. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Overland Times for more exciting content on outdoor adventures, gear reviews, and expert tips. And as always, leave your comments and questions below. We love hearing from our fellow adventurers. Until next time, stay safe, stay powered up, and keep exploring the great outdoors.